I've prepared these tomatoes. I've cut them in quarters so they'll fit in the top of the processor up there. This is our first time using it. Mary's going to do a little demonstration here to see how it works. First time using it. I hope it's what we want. Go ahead, babe. Turn it on a little higher. Right there. You got to plunge it.
It takes a few. You're going to have to cut them a little bit smaller next time.
Alright.
There comes some juice.
Already, just one piece. And you got some coming out the back.
Yep.
Alright, keep putting them in there. Pack them.
Yeah, you want to cut them.
Alright, you just push them. Pack them in there. And that's all your pulp, your seeds, and all that coming out right there. And that's just your pure tomato right there. Just that simple. And you can actually run the pulp back through one more time when you're done and get a little bit more. You actually only lose, from what we've seen, you only lose a cup of sauce by doing it the old boil method way.